Hi, it's me again with Corel Draw Tips and Tricks, and I had somebody send me a reply to this, making this plaque, and at first I thought he was off his rocker. Apologize, he's tried to help me before. This arch isn't a perfect arch, and maybe the plaque is, so you could run it, but he suggested this, and it worked. Take your straight line connector and join those two. Make a duplicate of it and rotate that at a 90-degree angle. Let's zoom in here a little bit. Then take your two-point tool and go from that node to that node. Make a duplicate and rotate it 90 degrees. I don't like it when people know this much about math. Control D and rotate it 90 degrees. We're trying to find out what the arch of this circle is. Now, there's no way to extend these lines with the shape tool without having a snap to line to. Now, I guess you could do a deal, but if you do this, you can't change this or this, but you can change the percentage to 200, and it put that line right where it needs to be. It's just increasing at 200 degrees. Now, where these two lines meet versus that line, we'll get the parallel dimension tool and go from the intersection to that intersection, and we get a sum of 6.26. So let's draw a circle holding down the control button and change it to double that, which is 12.52. And bring it in and have it snap to it. And you can see my original arch is a little bit, well, I didn't even snap to it, but it does work perfectly. So I thank him for that. I wasn't making fun of you. Then all you have to do is delete these, and it matches up right on the corners. I doubt if too many people will ever use this, but I'm going to use it again. So now we're just deleting our other lines that we drew, and we'll take the virtual segment delete key and delete that, and then fill this in. Now you have a more symmetrical arch. And to prove that, we're going to grab it and Control D and then mirror it, and it's right on top of each other. Anyway, I hope that helped a little bit to someone, and thank you for watching.